When you think of building muscle, you probably picture intense gym sessions, lifting weights, or pushing through resistance training. But here's a surprising truth: the real muscle building magic happens while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body shifts into repair mode, releasing growth hormone impulses to rebuild tissue, reset your metabolism, and strengthen your muscles. Without quality sleep and the right nutrients, you could be undermining your workouts, waking up sluggish, and missing out on optimal recovery no matter how hard you train or how well you eat during the day. Here's the exciting part: 2 key vitamins can supercharge this nighttime repair process, making your sleep more effective for muscle growth, energy, and long-term health. These vitamins don't replace sleep or exercise, but they act like catalysts, amplifying your body's ability to recover and thrive. In this guide, we'll explore why sleep is the true engine of muscle growth, reveal the 2 vitamins that enhance this process, share how to get them from food, and when supplements make sense, explain why timing matters, and provide a simple nightly protocol to help you wake up stronger. Let's dive in. Why sleep is the key to muscle growth. The gym is where you stimulate muscle growth, but sleep is where the building happens. During deep, slow-wave sleep, your pituitary gland releases growth hormone in rhythmic bursts, signaling your muscles to repair micro tears from exercise, lay down new protein, and strengthen fibers. Think of growth hormone as a nighttime construction crew, turning your workout efforts into tangible results. Without this hormonal surge, your progress stalls. However, growth hormone alone isn't enough. Your body needs the right raw materials: amino acids from protein, plus vitamins and minerals that act like spark plugs for the repair process. If these are missing, it's like having a construction crew with no tools or materials. Additionally, modern life can disrupt this process. Stress, screen time, or caffeine can keep cortisol, your stress hormone, elevated at night, counteracting growth hormone and slowing recovery. Poor sleep quality or insufficient nutrients can leave you waking up tired, sore, or weaker than you should be. Research backs this up. A study in Annals of Internal Medicine found that sleep-deprived individuals lost more muscle and less fat compared to those getting adequate rest, even with identical diets and exercise. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's your body's prime time for rebuilding. Vitamin D. The muscle-activating hormone vitamin D is often associated with bone health and sunlight, but it's far more than that. It acts like a hormone that directly supports muscle repair. Inside your muscle cells, vitamin D binds to receptors that activate genes responsible for protein synthesis, muscle contraction, and mitochondrial energy production. Without enough vitamin D, these processes falter, leaving you weaker and slower to recover. Analogy: think of your muscles as a factory. Protein is the raw material, growth hormone is the manager giving orders, and vitamin D is the electricity powering the machinery. Without it, the factory grinds to a halt. Research highlights a study in Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that older adults with sufficient vitamin D had greater muscle strength and function. Research in Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that vitamin D supplementation improved muscle performance and reduced sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss risk in adults over 50. Vitamin D's role peaks at night during protein turnover, when your muscles repair exercise-induced damage. Low levels can hinder this process, leading to fatigue and stalled progress. How to get vitamin D? Sunlight. 15 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure, depending on skin type and location, is the most effective way to boost vitamin D. Food. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks, and liver are rich sources, though they provide smaller amounts compared to sunlight. Supplements. If sunlight or food isn't enough, 1,000 to 2,000 U daily is a safe starting point. Take it with a fat-containing meal, for example, avocado, olive oil, for better absorption, ideally in the evening to align with nighttime repair. Magnesium. The relaxation and recovery mineral magnesium have a powerhouse nutrient involved in over 300 biochemical reactions, many tied to muscle function and energy production. It's essential for relaxing muscles, calming the nervous system, and lowering cortisol, creating the ideal environment for deep sleep and recovery. How it works: energy production. Magnesium binds to ATP, your body's energy currency, making it biologically active for muscle repair. Muscle relaxation. It acts as a brake pedal, countering calcium's role in muscle contraction to prevent cramps and tension. Sleep quality. By calming the nervous system and supporting melatonin production, magnesium promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Analogy: imagine trying to sleep in a noisy, brightly lit room. Low magnesium keeps your nervous system on, disrupting recovery. Adequate magnesium dims the lights and quiets the noise, allowing your body to fully relax and repair. Research highlights. A study in Journal of Research and Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation improved sleep efficiency, extended sleep time, and reduced nighttime cortisol. Research in nutrients showed athletes with higher magnesium intake had less inflammation and faster muscle recovery. How to get magnesium. Food: leafy greens, spinach, kale, seeds, pumpkin, sunflower, nuts, almonds, cashews, and dark chocolate 70% plus cacao are top sources. Supplements: magnesium glycinate or citrate 200 to 400 milligrams in the evening, well absorbed and gentle on the stomach. Pair with a calming pre-bed routine to enhance its effects. The synergy of vitamin D and magnesium. Vitamin D and magnesium don't work in isolation, the rheodynamic duo. Magnesium is required to convert vitamin D into its active form calcitriol, which powers muscle repair. Without enough magnesium, vitamin D remains inactive, like solar panels without an inverter to convert sunlight into usable energy. Conversely, vitamin D enhances magnesium's role in muscle recovery. Research highlights. A study in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher magnesium intake optimizes vitamin D activity. Research in BMC Medicine linked low levels of both nutrients to increased muscle weakness and metabolic issues. Practical tip: combine vitamin D-rich foods, for example, salmon, with magnesium-rich foods, for example, spinach, in a meal, or take supplements together in the evening to maximize their synergy. Food first approach: whole foods provide a matrix of nutrients that work together, making them the best foundation for muscle repair. Here's how to incorporate vitamin D and magnesium naturally. Vitamin D foods include fatty fish, salmon, sardines, egg yolks, or liver in meals. Pair with healthy fats for better absorption. Magnesium foods: add leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, or dark chocolate to your diet. A small evening snack, for example, almonds and herbal tea, can set the stage for sleep. Example meals: breakfast, spinach and egg yolk omelet with olive oil. Lunch: kale salad with pumpkin seeds and grilled salmon. Dinner: mackerel with roasted vegetables. Evening snack: handful of almonds or dark chocolate. Why food matters. Foods deliver co-nutrients, for example, omega-3 south in fish, phytonutrients in greens that enhance absorption and effectiveness, something supplements can't fully replicate. However, due to soil depletion or limited sunlight, supplements may be necessary to bridge gaps. Timing: the secret to maximizing recovery: timing your nutrient intake aligns with your body's circadian rhythm, amplifying recovery. Here's why it matters. Vitamin D: take with an evening meal containing fat to ensure absorption during the nighttime repair window. Magnesium: consume 1 to 2 hours before bed to calm your nervous system, lower cortisol, and promote deep sleep. Nightly protocol: dinner 6-7 p.m. Include vitamin D-rich foods, for example, salmon with healthy fats, for example, olive oil. If supplementing, take 1,000 to 2,000 U vitamin D pre-bed snack 8 to 9 p.m. Eat a magnesium-rich snack, for example, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, or take 200 to 400 milligrams magnesium glycinate. Wind down routine, dim lights, avoid screens, and practice slow breathing to lower cortisol and enhance sleep quality. Why it matters. Muscle is just about aesthetics, it's an organ of longevity. It regulates blood sugar, fights frailty, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation. By optimizing nighttime repair, you're investing in strength today and health for decades to come. Challenge: try one change tonight, add a magnesium-rich snack or take vitamin D with dinner. Track how you feel in the morning. Small, consistent steps lead to lasting results. By making sleep an active recovery tool with the right nutrients and timing, you can wake up stronger, more energized, and more resilient. Start tonight and turn every night into an opportunity for growth.